In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save project in CapCut. If you've ever edited something in CapCut and wondered how to make sure your work is safely stored without hunting for a save button, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick, and I'll add a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening CapCut. This can be the desktop app or the web editor. Both follow a similar flow. Once you're in, head to a new project or your editing workspace. Opening the editor first is important because CapCut creates a project as soon as you begin working inside the timeline. Next, add your files. You can click the Upload button or drag and drop your video, audio, or images straight into the media bin or timeline. Adding at least one file is a great way to make sure there's something in the project for CapCut to preserve. If you're just testing, even dropping a short clip works. You'll see the media appear in the library, and, once on the timeline, CapCut recognizes this as an active draft. Here's the key step that surprises many people. To save the project, simply click the X to close the editor window. CapCut automatically saves your project as a draft when you exit. There's no traditional save button to press. Give it a second if you've just added large files. CapCut may need a moment to sync your edits, especially if you're online and assets are still uploading in the background. Don't worry, you're not deleting anything by closing. You're prompting the autosave. To confirm everything is safely stored, go to Recent Projects. This is where CapCut gathers your latest drafts so you can reopen them instantly. You should see the project you just worked on listed there, usually with a thumbnail and the time it was last edited. Click it to jump right back in, and your timeline, clips, and edits will load as you left them. A few quick tips to keep your workflow smooth. Remember that saving a project is different from exporting a finished video. Autosave keeps your editable timeline, while export creates a shareable file. If you're working with many large clips, allow a moment before closing so uploads finish cleanly. And try to keep your project organized as you go. Clear naming and tidy media folders make it easier to find drafts later in recent projects. That's it. Open CapCut, add your files, close the editor to autosave, and check recent projects to verify. Simple, reliable, and ready for your next edit.